Welcome back to the channel, guys! Let's get started!
Green color. This is Paw Patrol Marshall.
I'm building a castle so big and so grand, scooping and shaping the beautiful sand. With shells on the walls and a flag on the top, this paws and beach fun is never gonna stop.
Wow, amazing! This is Paw Patrol Rocky.
I'm building castles in the sand. This beach is cool, it's really grand.
Wow, cool! Blue color. This is Paw Patrol Cheese.
I'm building a castle by the sea. I'm dancing, singing, feeling free. Look at my castle, it's the best.
Wow, cool. Purple color. This is Paw Patrol Skye.
Building castles in the sun, sand and waves, it's so much fun. Paws away, let's dance today.
Wow, beautiful. This is Paw Patrol Zuma.
Building castles in the sun, sand and waves are so much fun. Let's groove and play all day.
Wow, amazing. Red color. This is Paw Patrol Ryder.
This is the best beach day ever.
Wow, cool. Pink color. This is Paw Patrol Rubble.
Building a castle, sandy and bright, tapping it down, making it right. Look at the towers, reaching so high. Best sand castle under the sky.
Wow, good. White color. This is Paw Patrol Cathy.
Hola! You are doing great!
Wow, beautiful! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!